Today we're showing you the Stiga 300E strimmer. Battery, two batteries on this one, slim batteries, one each side, nice balance. It's got a safety button switch here before you can make it work. Adjustable handle, and something that I won't use because I like using edging shears, but it has got a wheel here that you can run along the edge so that you can turn your machine over and do edging with it. You won't catch Ken Crowther doing edging with it, I'm sorry to say, but as a strimmer, I will show you. You press the button, ignite. Powerful little machine. We're not doing terribly, but there are a few weeds there, just getting rid of a few dots there. Quite honestly, a very good tool. And remember, if you're using batteries, they're easy to charge. All you got to do is plug them in. They take about half an hour or so to charge up, the slim ones, and then off you go again. But quite average garden, you do more than an average garden with these two batteries on this Stiga strimmer. So all in all, good little tool.